Alright, so today we're going to be installing a sign in the new S.E.R. It's going to go right above the door in that box right there. And this is the sign we're going to be installing. The first and most important step in this process is to cut the power, so that way you don't get electrocuted. So what you're going to go ahead and want to do is go ahead and pull out your wires and get them all ready to begin wiring. Alright, next wire your black wire to your black wire, and then your white wire to your white wire. Now that you have it wired in using wire nuts, you're going to want to go ahead and just tuck your wires back into the box. Alright, once all the wires are tucked back into the box, you can go ahead and screw the exit sign into the back box, which mounts it to the wall. Alright, once the sign is securely mounted to the wall, you're going to want to go ahead and turn the power back on. And once you turn it on, the sign should start glowing. The next step is to go ahead and plug in your battery. This step is commonly forgotten, which almost defeats the whole purpose of an exit sign, because without the battery, it won't be able to stay on when the power's out. Now it's plugged in. After that, take the exit sign faceplate, adjust the arrows so they're pointing in the right direction if needed, and then go ahead and snap it on. There we go. You want to go ahead and adjust your heads to where you want the light to shine when the power goes out. Alright, and the final step, once you have your exit sign all installed and adjusted properly, the final step is the funnest part: test it. You can push the test button, or even better, you can just kill the power and make sure all the lights are adjusted properly to their best fit. Bang. And it's lighting up the garage pretty well. Alright everybody, thank you for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.